Lau.
And my name is Nga. We are currently Vice President of Incoming Global Community Development Program of LCFTU Ho Chi Minh City, ASEC in Vietnam.
And the purpose of this video clip is to give you more understanding about why ASEC in Vietnam run ICDP. And as we all know, the purpose of ICDP is to solve the world issues and develop strong leadership in every young people.
So happy purpose taken alive with ASEC in Vietnam. Currently, we have 6 projects in Vietnam. In our function, all of which focus on developing leadership in young people. For example, IJ and IJ Summer Camp project focus on better self-awareness of high school students and provide them with environment for international exposure. We also have Global Passport and Global Passport Entrepreneur, which equip workers and university students with knowledge and skill in English communication so that they can have better opportunity in their life and career.
And we also have Hope for Children project in which we provide educational opportunities for underprivileged children in the south of Vietnam. And we also have Vietnam 3D project in which we focus on culture exchange and mutual understanding as well as bringing the image of Vietnam closer to the world.
So how about developing leadership?
In Vietnam, a lot of young people now, they mistake the concept of leadership. Leadership must be leading of yourself first, not just being a manager or a director in a company that we can call a leader. That's why we want to change the current situation of leadership in Vietnam. So by providing education and training for young people to develop them at the very early ages so that they can become a very good leader in the future.
And our vision for this term is to bring visible and measurable impact by providing our customer with purposeful leadership, high satisfaction, and high quality life-changing experience.